How to send photos in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send different pictures. First of all, open the application. Now as you can see, I'm in my home page. Here on the right bottom, there's an option called Inbox. Simply tap on Inbox. Now we can select the people whom you want to send your photo. So here I'm tapping on one. Now we're in this chat box. Here on the bottom, there are different options available. Here on the left bottom, you can see this camera icon. Simply tap on this camera icon. Now here there are different options by which you can send the photo. Here I'm tapping on add photo. Now simply select the photo that you want to send to them. Now I'm tapping on one, and at last simply tap on next. So this will automatically send the photo to the person that I have just selected, and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.